Hi everyone, Michael Murphy here, College Cash Out. This video is about follow-on bets, the meat of the sandwich. In previous tutorials I explained how we would get our qualifying bet. We followed the instructions in the email. Now the qualifying bet has matured, we want to go and actually access our free bet to convert into our profit. So I've actually clicked the get bet button. College Cash Out has sent an email to my inbox. We're going to open that email now and have a closer look. The follow-on bet is a 3-step process only. Step 1, we bet our €30 free bet with Sky Bet. Step 2, we lay our stake. The stake is calculated to 21.74. That's derived from a formula from our software. And step 3, we just update the College Cash Out interface. So looking at step 1 in more detail, we're going to click the hyperlink to bring us over to the bet at Sky Bet. So we click the link. It's brought us to the bet in Sky Bet. We have the odds are displayed in fractions. Chesterfield home win is 11-10, the draw is 5-2, and the Rochdale away win is 23-10. Just checking our instruction again. We're looking at for odds of 3.5 on the draw between Chesterfield and Rochdale. So I explained in a previous tutorial how you convert the fractional odds into decimal odds, but this time I want to just show you how easy it is to do it manually as well. Open up our calculator, really simple. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 plus 1. That's it, 3.5. So again, to reiterate, to convert fractions to decimals, we take the top figure, which is 5, divided by the bottom figure, 2 plus 1. If it was 11-10, we'd take 11 divided by 10. 11 divided by 10 is 1.1 plus 1. So it would, the decimal of 11 to 10 would be 2.1. We're only really worried about the draw, so we know that 5 to 2 is the same as 3.5, so we can go ahead and place our bet at that level. We're going to open up the bet slip. Put in our €30 on the draw only, or £30 depending on what you're betting at. And you can see here, if our bet wins with Sky Bet, we win £105. Now to look at step 2. Lay €21.74 at odds of 3.5, English Soccer, Chesterfield versus Rochdale. Click here for the hyperlink through to Betfair. Brings us to our bet. Again, we're only interested in the lay column highlighted in pink. The draw, the odds have now changed slightly to 3.55. So we need to open our calculator in College Cash Out, put in our amount, bet 30, 3.5, lay odds 3.55, and we have a new stake of 21.43. Now, really important that you're filling out the data into the follow-on bet when you're in a follow-on bet, and in the qualifying bet when you're in a qualifying bet. Hopefully that speaks for itself, but it gives a different lay stake if you put it into the qualifying bet. Put in 21.43, place bet. The profit we expect to make on this bet is 20.36. I want to take a moment to explain why our profit is €20.36, regardless of what happens in the outcome. So in Sky Bet, we've bet that Rochdale and Chesterfield will draw, and we've laid the draw in Betfair. So no matter what happens, our profit is going to be €20.36. Just to show this in more detail, the Sky Bet bet slip says our return is €105, but we don't get to keep the stake of €30, so in fact it's only €75. We have a liability of €54.65 in Betfair. So if it ends up in a draw, we win with Sky Bet, we lose with Betfair, and the difference is €20.36, which is €75 less €54.65. If it is not a draw, we would lose our bet in Sky Bet, which is the €30 free stake, so we've lost our free bet. But we get to keep our stake in Betfair less the 5% commission. So €21.43 less 5% is actually €20.36. You don't need to worry a great deal about the maths behind it, other than to know you're going to make a profit of the €20.36 regardless of what happens in the bet. So it really shows you the power of match betting and the ability to make profit with just really a few minutes work. The final thing to note then in step 3 is to update the college cash out interface. Just use the hyperlink, bring you into the interface and confirm that you've placed the actual follow-on bet. That's all for now. See you next time.